Catherine Bernardo update sa post ng Star Cinema. Love will arrive tomorrow, May 19, 6 p.m. Ang worldwide live stream. Ang dami pang live para sa most awaited movie ni Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards. Kasi ito yung post ni Catherine yung Salon Day sa 01 Stories Salon, Korean Salon, kasama si Lexine sa yung asawa ng Kuya Kevin ni Catherine. Sabi ni Catherine, tend to go a little darker than my usual hair color, and thank you for always pampering us. 01 Story. Yan o. Magandang lahi ng Bernardo. Ayan si Catherine. Ayan ang bago nilang hair look. Bagay kay Catherine always. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.